today?
Yeah, thank you. In need of coffee. My name is Jaime Torres. I am a human rights activist, differently abled artist, and I'm also a non-driver. I became disabled later on in adult life, and there was a lot of things I took for granted. The Week Without Driving is a wonderful event because just so they get an idea of what it's like for a non-driver, and it's not just necessarily disabled people, it's people who can't afford a license or can't afford a car or insurance, things like that, or just they don't want to drive. And so there's a lot of reasons why people don't drive, and it's not that easy being a non-driver without the infrastructure being there. I miss just getting up and going whenever I want. I'll never have that again. And I want people to get that perspective, not like, hey, you need to do this. No. It's just more of for them to understand a little bit more. I wanted to gain knowledge, to get an idea of the things we have to face on a daily basis. When I became disabled, my eyes opened, and I think it's a great idea for people to have their eyes open as well and see that they are taking certain things for granted.